है जीवी। आज मेरा बर्थडे है, तो आप मेरे बर्थडे पे जरूर आइएगा। पार्टी मेरे घर आज शाम 5 बजे है, तो आप सब 5 बजे आ जाइएगा। तो अभी मैं चलती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी शॉपिंग करनी है और बहुत सारी प्रिपरेशन भी करनी है आज शाम की पार्टी के लिए। हेलो जैंडी, क्या तुम मेरे साथ शॉपिंग करने चलोगी? या श्योर, पर जाना कहाँ है ये तो बताओ। चलो, हमारी शॉपिंग पूरी हो गई। क्या तुम अपने बर्थडे में हमें ये सब खिलवाने वाली हो? तुम्हें पता है ये कितना अनहाइजीनिक और अनहेल्दी है? पर ये तो सबका फेवरेट होता है ना, इसलिए तो मैं ये सब ले रही हूँ और ये मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है। क्या तुम्हें पसंद नहीं है ये सब? लगता है तुमने केमिस्ट्री नहीं पढ़ी। तो सुनो, केमिस्ट्री 7 सेम की स्टूडेंट से। From sizzling street food to shiny packet snacks, our daily diet is a burst of flavor, color, and aromas. But have you ever wondered what is the chemistry behind it all? Today, let's uncover the hidden science that make our favorite food tasty, tempting, or sometimes toxic. Color attracts the eye before touch the tongue. Synthetic dyes like tetrazine and sunset yellow give food is a bright appeal. These molecules have conjugated double bonds that absorb light and producing white colors. But not all colors are safe. Overuse can cause allergies and hyperactivity. Natural pigments like curcumin or anthocyanins are the safer but less stable. Ever notice why packed noodle or chips have that irresistible flavor? The secret lies in a flavor enhancer like monosodium glutamate, which activate the umami taste receptor. Artificial sweeteners such as aspartame or saccharine mimic sugar taste without calories. Their molecular structure fit the same taste receptors. Preservatives keeps food safe and long lasting. Sodium benzonate, potassium sorbate, BHA and BHT prevent oxidation and microbial growth chemically. They act as antioxidant or weak acid that inhibit bacterial enzymes, but beyond a certain limit. They can disrupt metabolism or cause allergies, hence their use is strictly regulated. Now we talk about street foods. Street food is a delicious but reused frying oil is a silent danger. Heating oil repeatedly causes oxidation and isomerization, forming trans fat and toxic aldehydes. These compounds raise cholesterol and can damage cells. Chemists test oil safety using peroxides value and iodine value measurements. Even the packet matters. Most packaged food use polymers like PET or polythene, but under heat or sunlight, some plasticizers can migrate into food. Researchers now develop biodegradable and smart packaging that signal spoilage or change color when food turn unsafe. Food chemists and regulators ensure what we eat meets safety standards. Agencies like FSSAI and WHO set limits on additives and contaminants. Analytical methods, chromatography, spectroscopy, and titration detect even trace chemical in food sample. Chemistry make our food colorful, flavorful, or long-lasting. But it is also demand responsibilities. The same molecule that preserve can harm it misused. So next time when you grab a street snacks or a packaged food, remember that it's all chemistry and awareness is the key ingredient. Remember that.